Welcome to the Mindful Path in this guided meditation and deep breath work embodiment exercise on being thankful. Today we will focus on nurturing a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation, not only for the self, but for others. This practice will shift your awareness, helping you recognize and embrace thankfulness in your life. By connecting your mind and body through breath, this meditation will embed the feeling of gratitude beyond this conscious level and into your subconscious. We recommend practicing this meditation daily for at least 30 days to experience lasting transformation. Let's get started. Find a comfortable seated or lying position and gently close your eyes. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Just hold the breath for a moment. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress. We combine the breath work with the meditation because this gets us out of our thinking mind and into our feeling body. This is where deep inner core healing begins. Deep in your heart, in your core. With each breath, you allow your body to relax further. Take a deep breath in and hold, inviting in calm and ease. And exhale, releasing any tightness. We release all tension in the body, starting with the top of your head. Release those muscles around your eyes and your face. Relax your jaw. Feel your shoulders soften. Relax your arms and hands. Let go of any tension in your back or abdomen. Relax the muscles in your legs, all the way down to your feet and toes, feeling your body sink into stillness. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow your body to settle, feeling open and ready for this journey inward. Imagine a soft, warm light at the center of your chest. This light represents gratitude and thankfulness. With each breath you take, you will see this light grow brighter. And with each exhale, you feel it spread throughout your body, filling you with warmth and peace. Feel the warmth of this soft, warm light as you take a deep breath in, silently saying to yourself, I welcome thankfulness into my heart. And exhale, releasing any tension or doubt. Think of moments in your life that have brought you joy and peace. These could be small gestures, kind words, maybe times when you felt truly appreciated. With each breath, let these memories amplify the light within you. Now take a deep breath in, saying to yourself, I am thankful for these moments. And exhale, letting gratitude expand within you. Feel the warmth of that light, the light of gratitude spreading to every part of your being. Let it reach your fingertips, your toes, every corner of your body. Take a deep breath in, drawing in the energy of thankfulness. And exhale, releasing any lingering doubts or worries. Visualize your breath as gentle waves, each one carrying thankfulness deeper into your body, down into your core, away from your thinking mind and feeling it deep inside, somatically in your body. As the warm light grows, it envelops you in a sense of contentment and peace. Take another deep breath in and hold, silently saying to yourself, thankfulness fills my mind and body. And exhale, feeling a sense of fulfillment. Now think of an aspect of your life that you may take for granted. Don't judge yourself, just be aware. Perhaps your health, maybe a friendship, or the beauty of nature. Let this thought make the light in your chest pulse warmly. Now take a deep breath in and say to yourself, I appreciate the simple and meaningful parts of my life. And exhale, releasing any remaining tension. You are anchoring this feeling of thankfulness with every breath, with every truth. Take a deep breath in, affirming to yourself, I am thankful for the present moment. And exhale, grounding yourself in gratitude. Inhale again deeply, saying to yourself, thankfulness guides my thoughts and actions. And exhale, feeling at peace. Inhale again, deeply affirming to yourself, I am grateful for all that I am and all that I have. And exhale, letting this truth resonate. Each breath deepens your sense of gratitude, grounding you in the present and filling you with calm. You no longer just think about thankfulness. You feel thankful. You are thankful. Take this moment to feel the gratitude you have cultivated within you. Relax your breath, letting it return to a natural state. Releasing any tension in your chest. I am thankful for the present moment. Thankfulness guides my thoughts and actions. I am grateful for all that I am and all that I have. Know that this feeling is always available, ready to be accessed whenever you need it, deep inside. Now slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently reawakening your body. When you feel ready, open your eyes, returning fully alert and grounded. Thank yourself for dedicating this time to nurture gratitude. Your commitment to this practice supports your mind and body, fostering overall well-being. Thanks for joining us on the Mindful Path. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe to our channel for more life-changing videos. We look forward to continuing this journey with you. I'll see you again tomorrow.